Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate image using prompt on CapCut within seconds. So this feature is pretty new on CapCut, the AI text to image feature. So you can just write text or prompt and the idea that you want to realize into a picture or image. So what you need to do is open your CapCut and click on the text to image feature. Okay, so here you can create splendid images with simple prompts. So for example, the man in suit standing in front of a red car, modern looks. You can just click on generate after that. So here I'm going to write a new prompt. For example, woman with shopping bags looking luxurious, for example. And after that, just click on generate. Now CapCut will generate the images. You can just wait until the images show up in here. Okay, so here are the results for the prompt that I write before in here. So just select one of the between one of the image, but if you want to regenerate, you can just click on this button, and if you want to modify, just click on the modify and you can modify the prompt again. Okay, if you like with the result, you can just click on one of the picture, and here you can click on save, or maybe you can also retouch or edit the photo again. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.